Happening now, people are starting to show up at an open house in St. Lucie County about glioblastoma, a deadly form of brain cancer.
The health department bringing together experts to help answer questions and concerns.
Only on 5, Megan McRoberts is getting to the bottom of why health officials say the number of cases is not unusual. She's live in Fort Pierce. Megan.
Well, Kelly, I wanted to go beyond the experts who are here tonight. I drove down to Miami a couple weeks ago to speak directly with the experts who are a part of the state's cancer registry. I asked them why they consider the cases here to be expected.
The state's cancer registry is located here at the University of Miami. David Lee is a principal investigator, telling us their data suggests St. Lucie County can expect about 10 glioblastoma cases each year. I've collected information showing upwards of 60 cases in the last 5 years, 2016 alone surpassing 15 cases.
When you have something that occurs infrequently at a population level, you will just see these fluctuations. In 1 year, you might see double the number of cases, and the next year, less than what you expected.
Some of the main concerns in St. Lucie County are the number of recent cases of young people getting glioblastoma, some in their 30s and 40s in 2016 and 2017. But those years are still not accounted for in the state's database. Lee also said they might not catch every case if they're diagnosed out of state, but they work closely with other state registries to close any gaps. Do some of those cases fall through the cracks? The answer is yes.
At the end of the day, when we put all this together, we estimate that we're capturing over 98% of all the cases.
Now, there are cases, of course, around the county which we have reported, but some people still want to see testing specifically in a smaller pocket of the county in Fort Pierce in that zip code 34982, where they say multiple people were diagnosed within the same street, some just blocks apart from each other, some even in the same home. We did speak with experts here tonight who are involved with the health department with the state, but they say there are still no clear indication as to whether or not there will be any testing. This meeting is open to the public. It runs again until 9 o'clock tonight. Reporting live in St. Lucie County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.
Megan first broke this story on March 28th and has been working to get answers for those patients and their families ever since. We have made it easy for you to see a timeline of her work. It's on WPTV.com, and it starts here with the very first story about the family that bravely came forward and explained how the health department took notice of Megan's reports. You can then go here on this part of the website to see how the health department stepped in and what they were saying. They took notice of her reports just days after her original one. So all of this on WPTV.com/glioblastoma.